Alright, hello guys. So today what we have here is the Sanyo M4440 that I restored earlier in the previous episode. So today I'm going to talk about its features, a little history about it, and so on. Okay, so this Walkman is, or actually portable cassette stereo player, because I'm just going to refer it as a Walkman. I know Walkman is actually a trademark of Sony, but you get it. Okay, so this is the early gen Walkman here. You can see it's quite huge. Okay, compared to the world's smallest cassette Walkman, you can see the difference in size. You fit inside like that. This I will have another video for it also, don't worry. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the front. Now for the rear, okay, it just says Sanyo stereo cassette player M4440. So being an early gen Walkman, it takes a lot of power to run too because of the big motor. So this thing takes 4 batteries, 4 AAA batteries. Okay, so this is the control side of it. Okay, so we have operation. There's a LED here that lights up when you press play. There's a tone switch, high and low, something like treble or bass, top eject. That's how you load cassettes in. Okay. So when you press play, it stops, and you press it again, it opens. Okay, standard reverse and forward, and then you have pitch control here, so adjust the pitch. And this thing here is a microphone for the talk function, which is up here. Okay, alright, so this is where you put in your headphones, the volume control, balance for left and audio, and the talk function. So what this does actually is, while you're wearing headphones and then someone wants to talk to you, you turn on the talk function and then you can hear them. If your headphones are too loud, how it feels like is just imagine your music playing in the background and you can listen to someone. It softens the music playing, and then you can hear the person you're talking to clearly while the music is playing in the background. Kind of cool actually. But the later model Walkmans, they leave out that function. Alright, that's pretty much it for the review. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh yeah, and there's a tape counter up here. So this button resets the tape counter. So you see, open it up, spin it, isn't it? You can see the tape counter move. So you want to reset it, just press it. Ta-da. Alright. Oh yeah, and these things up here, I added this, okay, this ring here, but originally it was meant for a strap that you can hook on here, through here as well. So I don't have the strap, so I just took what I have. This pouch bag holder actually, so it just fits through here, and the other one through here, like that. So I can just carry it around on my and just carry it around. It did come with a belt holder, but This thing is pretty heavy for a belt. You need a really big belt or a tough belt to hold it on. This is much more comfortable. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. It has a DC 6-volt adapter on the side. Yeah, that's it.